How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to an early morning episode with my buddy Ving here. I find it so funny that we're out here fishing for trout and bullhead, like first thing in the morning, first daylight, and I guess that's how dedicated we are, right? So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I am going for the big pond monster, which are bullheads. You guys see in the last video, they're huge. I find them fascinating because we used to catch them back then, you know, like when we were kids, and they were just little and ugly and we hated them. But now for some reason I just seem to appreciate the fish a lot more. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on this awesome, beautiful morning right before it gets windy. Stay tuned. Double up, guys. Look at that. First thing in the morning. First thing in the morning. See that? First thing in the morning. First thing in the morning. Yeah, so we are going to be keeping these. So yeah, they swallowed it. Yeah, just grab them and then we're just gonna cut their heads off.
That's pretty nice.
As soon as I finish, the intro, look at this beautiful pond trout. This is your first time, right?
Yep, it is.
So that's what it is, guys. First trout ever?
Yep, first trout ever.
That's awesome. Look at that. We just doubled up. Oh, geez. Yeah, they're very mean, too. And yours pretty big. So this is what they are right here, guys. Super fun fish, easy to catch. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good morning. Alright, first thing this morning, guys, we double up. As soon as I closed out the intro, the trout just went nuts. But me, I'm going for that bullhead. I'm gonna let Ving do the honor and fish for trout while I look for this pond monster. Yeah, it's fun, dude. I like trout fishing, man. Alright, pond monster. See what you got. Talking smack. Oh, my line's going already. What the heck? Dude. Yep. There you go. We got him. What is this? This is a trout, bro. Dang. Yeah, there's a lot of them, man. Look, see. This one I'm tossed back. I'm gonna wet my hands first. It actually hooked right on the side of the mouth, so that's a good thing. I'm tossed back. But it's only 3 out here, so it's gonna be real quick. We don't want that. Chill, buddy. Relax. There you go. Nice release. Got one? Oh, you got him. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay. Boy, Ving's on. Boy's doing damage already. It's 2 in a row. You better slow down. Yeah, let me wipe my hands real quick, and if he doesn't swallow it, oh, he didn't swallow it, so we just let him go. Yeah, it's good. Oh, that's actually a pretty good one. Yeah, we'll keep it, I guess.
I'll keep it on right here.
Dude,
I'll just keep the bigger ones.
There's plenties, bro. Yeah.
The smaller ones go out.
All right, there you go. Let's trout. Oh. Got him. That's a trout. Oh, what is this? It's not trout. Oh, it is a trout. It's a nice trout too. Yeah. It's a good trout. Pull out my hands real quick. Oh yeah, he didn't swallow it. Nice. See ya, dude. Yeah. Yeah, that's a, oh my god, that's a fish, dude. Oh, that's a bullhead. Nice. That's a bullhead. Yeah. Oh, dude, it's a big one too. There you go. That's the boy we're looking for. That's a bullhead. Oh, look how big it is. We're recording. Look how big it is.
Nice.
It's huge, dude. Look at that guy. Dude, look how big it is. Holy cow. And right on the bottom lid too. That's what I'm looking for.
Nice.
Jeez, chill, relax. Yeah, they got stingers.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's what I'm. Oh, right. Go get it. Watch out for the line. Go get it. Get it right there. Oh, it's going. You missed?
Oh yeah.
Ah, it's okay. Just take it out. That's just the trout.
Yeah, the trout.
Yeah, watch it. Just don't, dude. Just cast it back out there. Yeah. Look at that. Look how fat it is, dude. They get bigger than this. That's the thing. Yeah.
Crazy.
Ah, he bit me.
Bite back.
I'm gonna bite your back, bro.
You want a picture of it?
No, I'm gonna take a camera over there. All right. Again, just a couple minutes in, and we got ourselves the pond monster. We were looking. Ah, he's biting me. Ah, okay. The pond monster we were looking for. See if it focus. Don't focus on my face. There we go. Look how fat and juicy that thing is too. So now bullheads are actually delicious. I just want to eat out of this pond, right? That's just me. I mean, I'm sure you can, but that's at your own risk. But look at that thing. It's so, like, if it focus, there you go. It's so freaking muscular, mean, and just alive. That's so cool. It's a pond monster right there, guys. Let's go ahead and do some more bullhead fishing. Ah, he's biting my finger.
It won't come back to you.
Here he goes. Bro! That's why I just throw them out there now, because they're so like, try to get a good release of this guy. Off he goes. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just throwing a chunk of juicy red worms. Yep, these are the big red worms from Walmart. Nothing fancy at all. You can buy these for like $3-4 bucks. Not even probably. And I just put 2 on here. You can do 1 too, but I like a juicy, meaty meal for the morning, right? That's what you want right there. And it just seems to work. Just let it dangle a little bit. Don't wrap it too much. Again, just a 3-way swivel with a small weight. I want to say a 1/4 ounce. And just cast it close by, because the further you cast out there, the more chance of a trout eating it. Which you don't want that. I don't want that at least. I'm gonna run back and get it. Yeah, see, you want the ones like these.
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah, and then there's bigger ones. So, alright, watch my rods. Oh, it's going off. What the heck? Can't even leave. Got him. Set the hook on this guy. Hey, I was just gonna run back to the car. Another trout. Oh my goodness, they're back. Wipe my hands first.
That's a good one.
Ah, that's okay. Yeah, it's small. Oh, he's going off, bro. He's going off. Already, dude. You got him? Oh, you lost him. Take it out. Yeah, it's gone, dude. Yeah, that marshmallow's gone.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, he's on, bro. He probably came back and snatched it. Yeah, he's on. He's on. No, it's not fooling around. It might be a big one again. Dang, instantly.
Slow down.
Slow down. Maybe a bass might come after it, you know? Boom.
Still small.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just start keeping him. Why not?
Yeah,
Oh, he's decent. He's not bad. He's not bad. Smallest one yet, but... Oh, right on the side, too. Here. Let's let him go, then.
It's small. That's the other one.
Yeah, it's small, dude. Yeah. It's still good eating, just...
Let somebody else catch it. All the big ones.
And it takes...
The bad one, it worked. That will come out like that.
Yep. Oh, wait, I forgot my line ends. Oh, bro, already? What the heck? Bro,
You're right.
I'm not kidding, dude. Already. Look, he's on. I told you. Look at him run, too. Look at him. Dude, as soon as it landed over there, he just smokes it. Oh, it's a nice one, I think. Oh!
What the heck?
Oh! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I am recording. What the fuck?
That's funny, dude.
That's insane!
That's fast.
Holy smoke! It's so pretty.
All the scales, dude.
Alright, you gotta take a picture of this, homie. What's going on? Check this thing out. That is way cool. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. I guess it's considered a goldfish, right? Oh, jeez. Chill. Look at that thing. It's so pretty and stocky.
That's crazy.
Wow. That is insane. I have never experienced something like this before. I love it. It's so cool.
That's crazy, dude.
It's huge. Guys, look how big this thing is. We're gonna let it go. Holy cow. Go, buddy. I'm gonna let it work its way back because that was a stressful fight. Wow. That's so cool. It's so fat, dude. I told you, I was like, I'm not going crazy, bro. Like, something kept hitting it. Oh, already. Got him. Yeah, dude, 3 back to back, bro. Just hold it. Yeah, just hold it. Oh, it's actually a nice one. Oh, yeah, it's decent. Yeah? Jeez. Let's see how many you got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, this is actually a good one, so we'll keep this guy for sure. What do you think? Should we keep it?
No, it's up to you. We can let go if you want.
All right, we'll let it go. It was a nice release, so we'll let it go because I caught 2 already, and we don't want to limit out yet.
Oh, yeah, ready myself.
Yeah, let me hold on. Oh, it's actually a decent one. Oh, it's a perfect release. Yeah, we'll release the one that are perfect. Yeah, these. Yeah, if they swallow it, we'll keep it. But the ones that are just hooked on the side here.
Okay, like they you should breathe them out.
Oh yeah. These trouts are so feisty. There's a bullhead. Got him. That's a bullhead. That's a nice fish. That's a bullhead. Yep. He's fighting real hard. The pond monster has arrived. Look at him go, dude. Look at him go. It's not that big, but holy smoke, you're fat. And you swallow my bait. Thanks, buddy. So I'm not even gonna try to get that out. I'm just gonna cut my line. And the hook should dissolve through time. Yeah, that's why I brought a bunch of those like rods that not rods, line that I don't, hooks that I don't use like that. Just gonna cut it and then release it. These are the pond monster I'm after. See ya, buddy. Thanks. Oh, he's on. Oh, jeez. I think he's on. Oh, it's another goldfish. Whoa. No wonder he knocked my camera over. It's this guy.
Was the same one again?
No, it's smaller and bigger.
I think that one's longer though.
No wonder that thing freaking knocked over. It's another goldfish. Just like that. Wow, look how pretty it is. Fish tank. Why are they so active today? So we're getting ready to wrap stuff up here. Yeah, it was a good day. Me and my buddy Bang there caught a bunch of fish. I don't know if it's focusing, but whatever. I'm just gonna wrap it up, catch a couple more trout, you know, just for fun, and then I didn't catch the monster bullhead as I intended to because we ran out of worm, and that's fine. It's gonna give me a reason to come back and look for them anyways. So, oh, you just missed one. So yeah, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and let's do it again. More pond fishing video. It'll be fun. Stay tuned.